Okay.
Okay, hi. Today is April 15th. I'm here in Boca with Luis and Miss Vivian. We're gonna show a little bit of the work I did here with the 1,700 square feet. And the best person to say about my job is him, so they're gonna say a little bit more about my job. So.
Yes. Hi, I'm Louise. I'm a customer now of Gesiel, and I will be calling him back for several other jobs in my house. I just purchased my home and I looked on the internet for someone to do the work, and his website caught my eye, and so I interviewed him, and it seemed like he was the way to go. And so I had this beautiful it's porcelain. It looks like marble, but it's porcelain. It's 24-inch square, and he did a beautiful job. Every tile fits perfectly. I wanted as little grout as possible, and he was very accommodating in that area.
We can give a tour. We can. So, can we show your place so customers can see the amount of square footage, the pattern, the shape, and some other details?
Okay. There's no furniture yet because I'm just moving in, and the tile was just grouted. Just now, one of his workers left and cleaned it up as much as you can first time around. But I know from experience this will need several other wipers, but it's just lovely. And as you can see, the baseboard is brand new as well. He told me many options, but I went with the taller baseboard which he suggested, and it looks perfect. I was scared because I'm used to the shorter one, but it looks perfect.
What's the height of this?
5 1/4.
5 1/4. So why did you recommend the 5 1/4?
Because she's have a porcelain 24 by 24. We did the floor diagonal, so when you do 24 by 24 diagonal, make the place look bigger. So if we go with the short baseboard, it's gonna kill the floor because you got a large tile with the small baseboard. Doesn't look good. So if you go with 5 1/4, make the place look bigger and much nice.
That's nice. Okay, so that's a technical explanation for the recommendation of a higher top.
Yes.
Okay, so and this is the future kitchen.
Yes. This
Okay.
will be my kitchen.
Oh, look at that. Beautiful, nice dining room, and all the you are like remodeling your home.
Yes, the entire home I'm doing remodeling on this floor.
And what's the square footage here?
It's 1,700 square foot.
Yes.
1,700. So, and the piece, the size of this piece?
24 by 24.
And how? Very 116.
160.
Okay, and how you guys, because one of the things we try to do in these videos, we have tons of video testimonials inside the website, and generally people later on will say, look, I've seen that tile, looks marvelous, wonderful, I want one like that. So we like to document that. So how did you get this tile? It looks really beautiful.
I went to the tile store up in Lake Worth, and I just looked at hundreds of tiles. And I knew the coloring I wanted, so I was very fussy, and this is what I ended up with.
Do you remember some specifications? People like, oh, one exactly like that.
Yes, I wanted it to have not to be too busy, and I stressed to Gesiel that I wanted it to show the direction. That I didn't want each tile facing whichever way, so he was very careful with that, as you can tell. The entire floor goes one way. That was important to me. I had my electrician come and put in electric in the floor so I could have a lamp on my sofa, and Gesiel's crew put the tile around this, as you can see.
Put the tile around that. Wow.
It's like it was
it's so seamless. Look at that.
Yes, yes.
It looks like it's something's on top of the tile.
Yes.
It's so perfect the cuts are.
It came with it, right?
Oh, it came with it. It's so perfect the cut is.
Yeah, because a lot of people, when they make a cut like this, they leave like a big gap and fill it up with grout.
And now you look at that.
It is the right cut,
perfect.
so it can look nice and try to do the best for look.
It required lots of years of experience.
Oh yeah.
Yes. And it It shows.
It shows.
You can see. So this is the family, will be the family room.
So are you proud of your choice of choosing AC style when you found us on the web, and it's like
Yes.
because it's something like when people, there are so many choices and they are choosing a tile company and you chose AC style, are you proud of your choice?
I definitely am, and as I said in the beginning, I will be calling him back for at least 3 more bathrooms, which are on the other level.
Wow.
He's neat, he's fast. I hired him, he came, he looked at the whole house, told me what to expect as far as time goes, and he stuck to that time frame. I believe he began on a Monday, and here it is Saturday, we're done, totally done. Cleaned up, everything.
And today is April 5th, 2014.
Yes, it is.
Yeah. The first time I came here, Mr. Viv, she don't want to be in the video because she don't want to speak, but she's really nice lady. I was glad so she can come by my side to see a little bit more of my work. The first time I came here, she's like, oh, you're gonna clean everything, right? You're not gonna mess up my house, my walls and everything, and I think I did.
He did a fine job. This, my home was freshly painted before he began, and if I didn't want to change the color, I wouldn't have to. Everything is perfect. Okay, I had a refrigerator in my kitchen. It's brand new, and I wanted it out of here because I'm giving it away to my friend, and they removed it from here, and everything is fine.
Look at that, really beautiful.
Okay?
So,
My half bath on this level was also done, and he removed the toilet, and I bought a new one. He replaced my new toilet, as you can see. He did a beautiful job.
look at that. Wow, this entire 1,700 square feet project, plus this guest bathroom and all this done in 1 week.
Yes.
Beginning to end, to cleaning, to everything. Done in 1 week.
Baseboard, everything.
Baseboard, everything.
Yes.
Yes.
His
Wow.
crew shows up on time. They're here all day. They're not fooling around, and that's something that you don't find all over. So I definitely recommend ACIS Tile for any of your needs concerning tile flooring.
And important, a lot of people, when I go over there to give an estimate, to tell a little bit about the work, a lot of people, oh, you look so young. You have enough experience to do the job, to work with a big tile 24 by 24. So I don't want to say anything. I'm going to let him say it. So
Yes, I agree with that. He does look very young, and maybe he is very young, but he's definitely got the craft down pat. He's excellent in what he does.
That's wonderful, wonderful words to say, and probably Gesiel would like to say something about these amazing words. And
yeah, I just want to say thank you very much. And the very important thing is when we come here to remodel a floor, to do a new floor, it is not just come here, get the money and walk away. The important thing is when we finish everything, we can get a testimony like this, shake his hand, see the customer happy. Because it is not just take the money and walk away, because she can give me so many more work, she gives me a beautiful testimony, and she can recommend me for a lot of people.
Right.
So we're here to remodel your house, to make you happy, to do a high quality job for you with the best price South Florida.
Yes.
So if you want to hire us, just call me. You can call me straight line on 561-756-4910. And I want to say thank you very much.
Thank you.
For everything.
And we'll see you again.
I see you again. We're
Yes.
going to be here remodeling 3 bedrooms. We have a 3 bedroom. I want to give some idea for her to what she can do, the best thing we can do. And we're going to be putting some picture with Mr. Vivian. So you're not going to see her in the video, but you're going to see the picture to her.
Yes.
All right? Thank you very much. And I'm in here waiting for your call.
Bye now.
thank you. Thank you.
Bye.